In today's digital age, privacy is a luxury and a necessity for many. For certain individuals, keeping their identity shielded while engaging in online income activities is paramount. This anonymity serves various purposes, from personal safety and security concerns to personal preferences against public exposure. The digital realm offers ample opportunities to earn money without the need to reveal one's true identity. Whether it stems from personal choice or a need for protection, anonymity can empower individuals to safely explore income-generating avenues on the internet, all while maintaining a cloak of privacy over their real-world identity. The digital marketplace offers unique opportunities for anonymity, and writing and selling ebooks is a prime example. Platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing allow authors to publish under pseudonyms, protecting their identities while reaching a global audience. The key to success lies in selecting profitable niches that resonate with a specific audience, crafting engaging and informative content, and effectively marketing these ebooks to maximize visibility. By focusing on these areas, individuals can create a sustainable income stream without ever revealing their personal details, ensuring their privacy while still engaging in rewarding entrepreneurial activities. Affiliate marketing presents a robust avenue for generating income online while upholding one's anonymity. By utilizing platforms like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and ShareASale, affiliates can promote products without revealing their identities. The strategy lies in creating engaging content on blogs, social media, or niche-specific websites that can subtly direct traffic to affiliate products. Through careful planning and digital marketing strategies, such as SEO and content marketing, individuals can successfully drive sales and earn commissions, all without needing to disclose personal information, thus preserving their privacy in the expansive digital marketplace. Cryptocurrency trading offers a unique pathway to financial engagement while maintaining anonymity. Traders can leverage privacy coins like Monero and Zcash, which are specifically designed to protect user identities on the blockchain. Additionally, using VPNs helps mask IP addresses, further securing one's personal data from potential breaches. Selecting cryptocurrency exchanges that prioritize user privacy is crucial. These platforms ensure that, even in the digital realm, individuals can trade and invest without sacrificing their personal security. This sector of the financial world thus not only provides lucrative investment opportunities but also respects and upholds the privacy of its users. In the freelancing world, maintaining anonymity can be as simple as using a pseudonym. Platforms like Upwork and Freelancer allow individuals to offer services ranging from graphic design to writing under a chosen alias, protecting personal information. This strategy enables freelancers to build a professional reputation without disclosing their real identity, ensuring privacy in client interactions and project engagements. By weaving a layer of confidentiality into their online presence, freelancers can safely navigate the digital marketplace, accept diverse projects, and expand their professional horizons, all while keeping their personal details secure.